Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and most of the cryptos right now have seen a decent pump towards the upside in the last 24 to 40 hours. Well, does this mean that the price of Bitcoin will again break its new all-time high and will make some enormous new all-time highs, or the price of Bitcoin right now is just trapping and it will dump towards the downside in the future? Maybe an incessant dump can come, or maybe a pump. What can happen and what I believe can happen, I will discuss each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. As of now on Tuesday, I'm on Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and right over here, yesterday we saw a huge pump. The price of Bitcoin went from $105,000 all the way up till $110,000. We saw a little bit pump, I would say, but definitely this candle is a very strong bullish candle. As of now, the price of Bitcoin is below its all-time high, so this is a very important resistance for Bitcoin, because it made an all-time high here, then here, and then here. So basically I would say $110,000 is a very important resistance for Bitcoin as of now. And if you have watched my previous video, I told you all that there are high chances the price of Bitcoin can dump towards the downside all the way down till $92,000 level. Why? See, if I draw this important level of resistance, you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin as of now is in a sideways channel. So there are high chances price of Bitcoin can dump towards the downside to again come below this channel, at least $92,000, the below part over here. There are high chances it can happen for sure. And if I zoom out the chart, you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin is in an uptrend for very long time. This is the low, then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high, higher low. So it is incessant upside move which is running for the past couple of months. So I expect the price of Bitcoin to dump from here, obviously. And to be honest, yes, this is my analysis as of now, but the main issue is that I do not see any bearish setup being made as of now. So obviously I'm not entering in any short trade, and obviously don't take any of these advice like personally or any financial advices. Don't copy trade me. I'm just sharing my analysis that in the future the price of Bitcoin can dump towards the downside, and if I find a good short setup, then definitely I will enter in a short here, but obviously I will not enter in a long over here. This is a very risky price as of now to enter in a long position, and I am for sure avoiding it. Talking about Ethereum, and same, if you have watched my previous videos, you already know that I am also bearish on Ethereum, because obviously I'm bearish on BTC, and so I'm bearish on Ethereum also, because if BTC dumps, Ethereum also dumps. If Bitcoin pumps, then ETH also pumps. But the main thing here is that the price of Ethereum has to dump towards the downside till this important purple support and resistance zone at $2,150 approx, because at the time of a breakout it never did a retest. It did a huge breakout towards the upside, and now it is just sideways. Many people will say this is a bullish flag and the price of Ethereum can continue to pump. Yes, it can, but according to price action, and obviously the price of Ethereum is, I would say, kind of overbought, so I expect it to dump towards the downside as well. And as of now, my Ethereum long position trade which I entered over here, I hope you remember, I'm still holding on to that position. Few portion of that position is still left running, and let's see, if the price of Ethereum starts to dump, I will definitely close it. But as of now, I'm just holding on to my profits, holding on to my live running trade. And now talking about Solana. So in my last video, I told you all that the price of Solana has reversed from here, exactly as I told you all in my analysis. And I expect the price of Solana to go all the way down till $123 level. Why? Because this is a very important support and resistance for Solana from $119 to $123. And then the price of Solana did a breakout of it with a retest, it went all the way up till this next important support and resistance zone, this white zone. And basically these two zones are very important for SOL. And if the price of SOL gets a rejection from here, this zone, towards the downside, then it will dump here. And if it pumps, then it will go towards the white zone. This is how price action works, obviously most of the times. And as you can see, the price of Solana exactly got reversed from here and got a dump towards the downside. But in middle of nowhere, it is starting to pump again, maybe because there is a minor support here. But I think this is just a small correction, and I believe that the price of Solana will again dump towards the downside in the future. But I am personally not taking any trade in Solana, because if you are watching my videos, you know that I only enter in trades when they are near my levels. And as of now, Solana is in middle of nowhere, not near this white zone and not even near this purple zone. So it is really unfathomable for me to enter in a long or short position as well. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. Most of the time I only cover Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana because they are the major cryptos to cover and to do analysis. And if Bitcoin pumps and dumps, then Ethereum follows it, or if Ethereum pumps and dumps, Bitcoin follows it. And same happens with Solana also, and same happens with the volume it is bringing due to meme coins. So as of now, I've already shared my analysis. I believe that this small pump that happened in the last couple of days, it is just a correction to a major short, or I would say major dump is going to be happening in the next coming weeks. I expect it because of my analysis, my price action, and maybe I can be wrong, maybe I can be right, but this is what I believe. And if I find a good entry to go short on either Ethereum, Bitcoin or SOL, then I will definitely go short on it. But obviously don't copy trade me, instead learn from my trades, how I manage them and how I find my levels and setups. And that's it for now. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana or any other major crypto, you can do that on any centralized exchange. Link of them are in the description below. Or else you can just create an account on any exchange or any decentralized exchange. Just go to any search browser and you can use them, but don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.